Hello friends, so I'm super excited. If you have never made $1 online, this will be your first year to start making money online, because in this video I'm going to show you very beginner friendly and the only way that can start making out at least $30, $50 every single day. And these are online jobs that are going to pay you weekly. This is very powerful. So let me show you right here so that you can really believe that you can start making money online. So I'm gonna go on this platform and you can start making up to 400 pound or 400 euro, and which is more like $500. So this reasonable amount of money you can start making on this platform. So if right now you are looking for online job that will start paying you every single week, this video is for you. And today I will explain really online jobs that are really going to pay you money every single week, and it will just be up to you. You can just decide if you will prefer to get paid monthly or weekly. This website is just for you. So right now let's dive in, but before that I want to make a very important note, and I hope that you understand me. So all these jobs that I'm gonna show you in this video, they are really jobs and they can pay you a reasonable amount of money, but I'm not promising you that you can make more than $10,000, more than $20,000. This is not true. You cannot make such amount of money on these online jobs. You can make a reasonable amount of money, at least 500, 300, but not high amount of money. So I just want to be honest with this, because there are a lot of videos online that they tell you that you can make a lot of money, but when you go ahead and try out this website, you come to realize that this website are not working and you cannot get this amount of money that they promised you to. And any website that requires you to pay money first, that website is a scam. Please do not join any website that asks you or requires you to pay money so that you can get these online jobs. This is a scam website, so you gotta be very careful of that. So right now let's start with our first platform that is really going to pay you money on a weekly basis. So this is our first online job that is really going to pay you a reasonable amount of money on a weekly basis. So let's start with our first online job. Online microtask. These are large works that these companies, they break this work into small tasks so that everyone can go ahead and perform this task, and at the end of the time you get paid by performing this small task on different companies. And there are a lot of companies that I will mention that are hiring right now for anyone who is ready to perform this video task online, and you can get paid $10 up to $20. So what type of this work that you can perform and get paid? First of all, there are these micro tasks which is called reviewing content. You can get paid just by reviewing different content on a given company, and also you can get paid by testing different applications, different websites. There are a lot of companies right now, they are launching their website and they want to know like how this website is performing. So before launching this website to the audience, they want these people that can go ahead and test this website. At the end of the time, these people are getting paid. They can get paid up to $10 or $20. It just depends on the hours you are spending to perform this task, and you can get paid a reasonable amount of money. So how are you really going to get this work? So you need to go to Amazon Mechanical Turk, and as you can see, you have to scroll down. You have to click this place which is called careers. Down here you can see all these small tasks that are available for you to perform and get paid. There are a lot of people are making up to $400 a month just by performing this micro task online. This is called Amazon Mechanical Turk, but also there is this remote task and quick worker. Of these websites, you can find these micro tasks that you can perform and get paid. All these websites, they are looking for a person like you who is ready to perform this task and get paid $2 up to $20. It just depends on the work, how big the task is. So right now let's go to our job number 2. All right, so this is our job number 2, writing content task. So let's say that you are hired by this company or this local business to write just for social media. It can be their Instagram account. So if you go ahead and start writing captions and post on their social media, you get paid $300 up to $1,000. There are a lot of people are making reasonable amount of money. And how are you going to get this client that can find you and ask you to work for them as a social media manager? All you want to do right now, you have to go to this platform which is called Fiverr. Also, you can go to Upwork and you can explain there that you are ready to work with any company or any business that is willing to pay you, so that you can start writing their captions and managing their social media, and after that you can get paid. So just by writing content on their social media, you get paid $200 up to $1,000. But I think a lot of people, they are getting paid at least $300 up to $500. So it just depends on the type of company or the type of business that you're working with. This is very important, and you can start making money just by writing content and writing captions and all that. This is one is very common and it's very good and trusted. Alright, so right now I want you to go to Amazon, and you have to scroll down, and down there you can find this place which is written as Amazon Careers. And after that you need to find this category which is written as social media moderation, and you can go ahead and apply to this category. So how are you going to get paid? Just by doing this very little task on this website. So you're going to get paid by replying to messages or replying to emails, and just by doing that you can get paid. There are a lot of companies out there that they are looking for someone that is ready to get paid just by reading emails and replying to emails. There are a lot of business, there are a lot of companies that they're running social media, so they want someone who can be there to read comments and reply to comments and all that. Just by doing that you can get paid $50 a day up to $75. So the best way to find this job is for you to go to Amazon, scroll down, click this place which is called career, then find this category that is written as social media moderation. And if you find this, you can apply to this work and you can start receiving this task and start performing this task, and you can get paid. The other way for you to get this work, that you may want to go on Google, then write social media moderation jobs. All right, you can find there are a lot of business online that they are looking for someone who can be social media moderator, and you can get paid a reasonable amount of money, $50, $10. It just depends on how big the task is, and just by doing that you get paid. So as I said before, you don't have to pay for any website that requires you to pay money for you to get this job. That is a scam, and that is a red flag, I can say. So let's go to our last online job that it can pay you reasonable amount of money: remote customer support. And how are you going to get paid? The only way that you can get paid on this online job with that, you can get paid by chatting with clients, chatting with customers, replying emails. And how are you going to find this job with that? You need to go to Indeed website, then you need to search for available jobs. You just have to write here remote customer support, and this website you can find there are a lot of companies that are looking for remote customer support. And if you're ready to start performing this task, you can just join. There are a lot of companies, especially in USA, you can start getting paid. So thanks so much for watching my videos, and I hope that these jobs can somehow change your life. If you are making $50 up to $200 a month, maybe if you start performing this task on this website that I've mentioned, maybe your salary can go up a little. You can start making up to $500, $1,000. It just depends on consistency and how effort you put on each work that I've just mentioned in this video. So thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.